what to get into.
Oh boy. This is the type of stuff that my hairstylist comes up with.
You know, I'm just trying to help.
Here.
And then just do one on the other side.
Oh yeah, that shit need that stuff. Put that on there. Okay, come on. This side. Do this side. Go ahead. Ash,
I'm gonna say, I was about to say.
Let's see how. You got it. 2, 3. All right. Let me see.
So we're gonna see. So I'm just gonna take it and it's on my little stick. I'm just gonna rub it in there.
You saying, you feel it?
You don't feel it.
Oh, okay. I was like, what?
And we're just rubbing it in. That's it. That wasn't even tough. Okay, oh, mercy. All right, Ray.
So what does it feel like?
It don't, I mean,
you can't feel it?
No, like she just put grease on my hair. That's what it feels like.
She put some on the back of that neck.
Oh,
this hair back out, baby.
Oh, girl, put some back there too. Put a little back there.
Oh, shoot.
That's what I get for cutting my hair all off. Yeah, middle part me, please.
Where did Jeremy go?
He ran out of here because I started talking about putting mine instead on my edges. He got up out of here quick. We were talking about the competition, Brandy, how everything is coming together.
Talking about the double dutch? It looks so good. I was like, look at Toya, you better.
Girl, I jumped for a minute yesterday.
You better jump. I got tired though.
One thing about this shit, it's a really good exercise, workout. You know what I'm saying? You lose so much weight jumping rope.
You really do though.
And that shit work everything. When you turning and jumping, all kind of muscles you ain't working a long time. I love it. If we could get more kids, I can't wait till the event to teach some of the kids how to jump. I think that'll be so dope.
Yeah, I saw a lot of people online was like, teach me. I'm gonna do a class.
I'm with it. I want to see that again. You know what I'm saying? More of that.
Yeah, I think it's getting all the kids to want to be outside more. And
it's making it cool. All they know is cell phones, twerking, cell phones. Just.
What would be a good way to get started if you wanted to start double dutching? Would you start off with just one rope?
Well, double dutching is 2 ropes, but single jumping is 1 rope. But to get started, I was teaching Nay. You know, you can't be afraid to jump in. You just gotta jump in, move your legs. You know what I'm saying? Once you get in the rope, it's easy. The biggest fear for people is getting through those 2 ropes.
Yeah, because I don't understand how do you jump in between the 2 ropes?
You have to wait. Okay, say if you turn in the ropes, right? You have to wait until the rope go up. That's on the side you jumping in. So you jump in. And you just pick your feet up and move. That's why I was telling Nate. Nate was jumping in the rope fighting. I'm like, what the hell are you doing? You can't fight the rope, but it's to get started, you have to overcome that fear of thinking the rope is gonna hit you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Everybody be scared that the rope is gonna whelp them up or hit them. Yeah, so that's the thing.
Okay, I never knew you had to jump in while the other one was.
Oh shit.
While the other one was up.
Yeah. That's the key, to getting into rope. You have to jump in when one of the ropes go up. Otherwise, you're gonna get hit.
Yeah, so we ain't learned that in my little country town.
What y'all learn?
Nobody was double dutch.
Y'all didn't learn how to double dutch?
No, we didn't.
I don't know what they was doing in Atlanta. Nobody was jumping in Atlanta either.
I don't know what we're doing in Atmo. I think
none of my friends in Atlanta know how to jump. I think they was skating.
Oh yeah.
We was jumping, they was skating. I asked Tiny, do she know how to jump? She said no. I asked Candy, Rashid, none of them know how to jump rope.
Yeah, I think we definitely was skating.
Yeah. A lot of the Atlanta girls was skating.
Learn how to skate backwards.
Yeah, we was skating and jumping though.
Oh yeah.
But jump rope was my thing. Like that was what I loved to do.
Hey, we definitely didn't do that.
That was cool. Okay, it's almost like it is not even in my hair.
Yeah. I told you it wasn't gonna be that bad.
Yeah. It's not.
I feel like you thought you was gonna like
Be having something.
have like a vagina on your head or something. Like it's just the cream.
Yeah, I don't even feel it.
It don't have no odor, no pungent odor or nothing like that. I can't get this little part.
You need me to come down some? We're gonna have a hula hoop station. Like where the kids are doing, you know, hula hoop, all fitness related things. Hopscotch. I remember playing that. I was a fool at that too.
And hopscotch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to love it.
I think we rode bikes, popping wheelies on bikes and 4-wheelers and stuff like that.
Yeah, we rode bikes, not really too many four-wheelers. What we wasn't doing was swimming. And that's something that I started my kids off on because that fear of the water is no joke.
We definitely was swimming.
Hi, Jeremy.
Hi, my love. How you doing your hair?
We're gonna do the
Oh, you gonna do that outfit? Okay.
Finally, the jacket you've been wanting me to wear.
Oh,
Right.
I picked the wrong sleeve.
No, but I can just show you for next time. This was that top I was talking about.
Oh, that is so
Ain't this cute?
I could do a
That is so
ponytail with that too. That is so cute.
Yeah, and then it like,
That's from Press?
Mhm.
Okay, Press.
and then drawstring up.
I love this top.
Yeah, ain't that cute? So you. So yeah, that was one.
Oh, you want to go to Future concert tonight?
Tonight, what time it start?
9:01. It's like a private concert tonight.
I actually can go.
Yeah, let's go.
Work.
Let's
step
step
out. This is what I was saying.
invite me.
That's so nice.
Invite me to that.
Let's step out.
Can we go? Can I tag along with y'all?
Look at this.
That's cute.
Mm-hmm. We could probably do this one next week. I just want to.
I love that top.
Ain't this cute? It's so you.
That
Yeah.
top is so bad.
But I'm glad we finally doing this. I can run and go get a bustier from Atlantic Station, like one of them little black corsets.
You sure you feel like doing all that?
Yeah, of course. I feel like making you. I gotta do what I gotta do to make you look cute.
I have them on this bra. It's more like a sports bra.
Hell no. Don't mess this look up. My creation. All right, I'm gonna go get a bustier. Well, at least we
I
know.
might need to do a side party.
So then she got maybe this
We
dress
got
for
little-
the next time.
Okay, go ahead.
We got a little.
A pink dress. It fit really cute. And then we got this top. And then you got this. Okay. All right, cool. So
I
we
love
doing
this top.
I know.
I might have to put that in my stash
Yeah.
and take it on home.
Take it on home.
This is
Pressed.
Press. Rashida got some cute stuff.
Yeah, she do.
That's
It was
so
the only
cute.
one in there too. I was like, oh, let me get this.
So what did you figure out for tomorrow? I mean for New Orleans. You coming?
Yeah,
What time you leave?
that's how much I love rain. I am not going to LA to be with rain. You see, that's how much I love.
But
rain.
I told you it's
Uh-uh.
okay.
It's-
Like you,
no,
you
it's not
have to-
okay.
Yes, it is. It's okay. She got like playing my birthday's gonna come
It's
around.
fine. It's okay. I'm gonna be there. Trust me. Yeah, I'm leaving tomorrow.
You getting ready for the Insta Gala?
Yes. Did you see? Oh, I sent you the.
It's so cute.
We got a video.
Y'all gotta make sure y'all check out the Insta Gala. This is the man behind the Insta Gala.
Definitely.
It's lit. Oh, bitch.
Oh, that's cute.
That is. Oh, this from the makeup you did.
Oh, that's cute. That's like 92. That's
Yeah, so we did like a throwback.
Okay,
Like,
oh, Jeremy, you giving me something, honey.
I love
Don't give me your outfit.
Look at
Show them
that.
the video. That is so cute. Who made this?
What these outfits?
Yeah.
I found them online.
Oh, you found this online?
Mhm.
Both of them?
Yep, both of them.
You a bad bitch.
I'm the bad bitch.
Period.
Period,
Yeah, but this
sis.
is the video. One of the videos. Oh, the place we doing it at is so. You gonna have to have something there. It's so cute. The place.
All my shows.
My brother, you got to buy.
That is super dope, Jeremy.
Actually, no. I changed it up. Hold on. We changed it. The video. This is the new one. So it's supposed to say like the year is 1992. So it's supposed to be all stuff that happened in like 1992.
first was in kindergarten in 1990.
Who?
I was in kindergarten.
How old are you?
32.
Okay, so I'm 33, so I was in like the
Why I
first
feel
grade.
old now since you
I was in
saying
the first grade. You probably was in the second grade, because you're only like a year older than me.
I'm gonna be 37.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Shout out to the toys in the 5th grade.
Toya's in the 9th grade. Toya was pregnant with Regine in 92.
Don't do that! Bitch!
Toya was pregnant with Regine in 92.
This 98. Damn.
She like that.
People be killing me on the internet. They be like,
Wait, you finna turn 37?
I'll be 37 this
I
year.
didn't know that.
Oh, you
Dang.
thought I was turning?
I really thought you was probably turning. I knew when you had your 35. I just feel like you were turning 36.
I turned 36 last year.
Dang.
I'll be
You
37.
old.
Damn. Red turning.
You know what?
Let me not tell his age.
Don't tell us that. Alright, I'm gonna go get you the booster so we can run that.
Okay. And then, I got double dutch tonight. I'm gonna pull all this off.
Come on, going to a future concert.
Double dutch practice.
What time is
It's
that?
lit. When people see pictures of me, what time? 7. So when they see pictures of me and they together, they be like, she looks so young. Well, she did have her at 10. Girl, they be throwing up but shit. It wasn't.
They say you had Nay at 10. They ought to be ashamed of themselves.
Girl.
Do it ever make you feel any type of way?
When people say that?
Yeah.
I mean, no, it is what it is. Like, that's one thing about me. I don't regret no parts of my life. You know what I'm saying? Like, shit happens. Like, I got a beautiful daughter. Yes, I was a young mother, but I don't regret it. And what they say, that shit don't really, it'll bother me like that. Just be funny when they be throwing shots. Like, 10 years old, bitch. No, I was 16, okay?
What's the best advice you have for teen moms?
I mean, nowadays it's totally different. From when I was a young teen mom. It's like when people found out I was pregnant back in those days, it wasn't like a whole lot of girls, at my school experiencing a whole teen pregnancy thing. So it's like I kind of stuck out back then. You know what I'm saying? Now it's like so many young girls is having babies so young. But my thing is, you gotta really, your life have to change. Like when you start having babies at 15, 16, you gotta become responsible because now you living for somebody. And that's one thing, when I had Nate, I immediately shifted things around. You know what I'm saying? Because I wanted to be a good mother no matter what. Like I was like, I just gotta, that's something I have to do. I wanted to give my kids the things I didn't have and more. And
Did you have a very strong support system?
Well, I had Wayne was very supportive financially, and he was so busy at the time because that was like the peak of his career.
Not even just him, like
His
just everybody
mom.
around, kind of like.
I mean,
hands
I had my auntie who I lived with. His mom would help me out, but for the most part, my family used to tell me, you made your bed hard, you're gonna sleep in it.
Which I think is actually not a bad
teaches
thing.
you responsibility. You know what I'm saying? It teaches you like this is your kid. It's not everybody's kid. You can't just be putting your baby on people and leave it like a lot of these young parents.
And it
do.
gives you a lot of it gives you a certain type of strength. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So,
And my advice to these young girls, like when you have babies at a young age, you're not having, this not your mama baby. You know what I'm saying? You can't put your responsibility on your mom, your aunt, your cousin, your mother-in-law, like the boy and mom. Like, this is your responsibility. And you can't have a kid thinking that it's going to keep the daddy, or you have to know that you have to 100% step up to the plate, regardless of if he's there or not. Like, this is yours.
So you have to be prepared
Like,
to do
you
it
have
by
to be
yourself.
prepared.
do
You
whatever
have to
they
be
want.
prepared to do it by yourself if they are not there. You know what I'm saying?
And don't be mad at nobody if they don't
Right.
help you, because nobody has an obligation.
That's your. I mean, it's both of y'all child, but the mother, you 100% gotta do it, whether he's
That's
there
it.
or not. So
That's it.
they be thinking, okay, if I had this baby, he's gonna stay around. He ain't leave. That don't mean a god thing. He will get up and out on your ass so quick. You gotta be willing to hold it down for you and yours, no matter what. Like that's the crazy part about it.